Next thing I'm going to show you is what we can do with a void method. A void method can be used, but what it will do is it will not return anything else. So right now I still have higher in my main method equal to 0. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this higher equals compare numbers. I'm just going to make compare numbers be a void method by itself here. I'm going to change public static int to void. Now, because it's void, we don't really want to pass anything down, so it's going to be blank parameters. And then the other thing is it's going to say we cannot have a return statement. So we're not going to return anything here. And that is okay for a void method. And down here we'll have A and B, which right now do not have values. So I'll have A equal 1, B equal 2. So under this pretense, A and B should always equal something. Here's the problem. We're never passing anything down. So when I do a run, I'll just compare two numbers, 5 and 2. The answer is 0. Because higher never gets a value reassessed to it. The other thing is we never actually ever use the compare numbers method. Now, I'll show you that it still reads to it though, where it runs into a line of code. I'll say this is the compare numbers method being read. Being read. There we go. And now I'll show you that it still gets read, it just does not return any value. I'll just compare one set of numbers. Take the first one 2, the second one 6. It says this is the compare number method being read. Doesn't do anything to higher though. So the void method can be used to pass to other parts of the program, but it cannot be used to return a value for a calculation at a certain part of the program. Void methods can receive because obviously the main method is a void method that doesn't return anything. It's the main starting point. But other methods can then pick up parts of the program. They just can't return anything to the method that got called above it. And that's how void methods work.